Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Jenny, and if this is your first time coming across my video, please do like, share, subscribe and turn on your notifications so whenever I post any video you are going to be aware of it. Yes, and to my returnees, that's my returning subscribers, I thank you so much for always sticking with me. So in today's video we're going to be talking about the truth and the myth of crochet. Yes, there are things people will tell you about crochet that is not true, that will discourage you from venturing into crochet. So today we are going to be handling that. And here I have a little note I made concerning it. So I'm going to be reading from it so that I will not forget anything or make any mistake. Yes, I took my time, I made some research concerning it so that I'll come here and tell you guys about it. So this is going to be more like a discussion video, not any tutorial or anything. Please, if you haven't watched my video, my first video, please go and watch it. Those are the things you will need to have before you start crochet. So let's jump into the video. So we're starting with truth first. Truth. So when I say truth, I mean the things that are true about crochet. Yes. So the first one on my list is crochet is versatile. What do I mean by crochet is versatile? You can create anything you want from crochet. You can create anything you want. Yes, from home decorations to wares to toys and the rest. Crochet is versatile. You can play around with crochet. I've even seen some people crocheting shoes, slippers, very beautiful school bags, handbags, a lot of things. Crochet is versatile. You can't say because you're doing crochet, okay, crochet is only meant for clothes or is only meant for home decoration. No, you can use crochet to create anything as long as you have your wool or your yarn and your crochet pin. You can create whatever you like with crochet. Number two on my list, crochet can be very therapeutic. Yes, crochet can be used as a therapy section. For me, crochet is very therapeutic for me. Whenever I go to work and I come back, I feel so stressed. Once I rest a little, I pick up my crochets. That's my yarn and my crochet hook, and I start to crochet. It feels very therapeutic for me. I just realize that the stress just goes away. Yes, and I also use it to kill time. I use crochet to kill time. Whenever I'm crocheting, like sometimes I don't even notice. Like hours will just go by just like that. Yes, I'll be how many hours has gone by? I'm still crocheting. Yes. So for me, I'm a living testimony of crochet being very therapeutic for me. So number three on my list is beginner friendly. Crochet is beginner friendly. We have basic stitches that you can just use to make a lot of things. A lot of stitches. Beginner friendly, very easy ones. Although crochet has stitches that are a bit complicated, but the beginner friendly stitches you can use it to make anything you want to make. Yes, beginner friendly stitches. Then number four on my list is customizable projects. You can easily adjust patterns, modify stitches, use different yarns and patterns. This is just telling you that you see crochet, there is like no limit to what you can do with crochet. You can modify it in any way. Like let's say you see a crochet project and is in large. Let's say there's a crochet sweater you have been seeing and the crochet sweater is large, in large size. You can modify the stitches, reduce some stitches in order to make it your size, which is maybe size small or medium. There is no limit to what you can do with crochet. Mm, Number five on my list is affordable hobby. Crochet is an affordable hobby. You need to go and watch the video I posted. You don't need a lot to start crochet. Just watch that video and get all those few things I said there. You don't need a lot to start crochet. It's very affordable. Yeah, it's very affordable. Um, Crochet has a very rich history. Crochet has can be dated back to far way, far back. Yeah, far back. So crochet has a very, very, very rich history. So now we're going to be moving into the myth, things that people say about crochet that is not true, that is not real. So number one on my list is crochet is the same as knitting. No, they are two different things. There is crochet and there is knitting. Two of them are, they are just very different crafts. You understand? Yes. The way I can use to differentiate it is just to tell you, knitting has two hooks. I don't really know much about knitting. I don't knit, so I don't know much about it. But they are two different things. Number two on my list is you can't make complex or stylish items. That's what people will tell you that, crochet, are you sure you can make all these beautiful things? Are you sure you can make this stylish dress, this stylish? Yes, you can make them. Yes, all those things are just long talk. You can make stylish, beautiful, complex items, complex projects, wonderful projects. Yeah, with crochet. Number three on my list is for older people. A lot of people be like, crochet is for the old people, it's for grannies and the rest. Is a lie. Is a lie, not bossy. It's a lie. Crochet is for everybody. A small child can start learning to crochet. An adult can learn to crochet. A teenager can crochet. An old person can crochet. Crochet is meant for everybody. There's nothing like crochet is just meant for older people and the rest. Are you a granny? Why are you crocheting? It's a lie. Crochet is meant for everybody. Mhm. Okay. The fourth on my list is crochet takes too much time. Yes, crochet do take too much time depending on the project you are making and depending on your speed level. There are a lot of people that can crochet a blanket in a week or less than a week, depending on your speed level and your determination. You understand? There are projects that take lesser time. Things like a tablecloth, table mat, um, um, a headband, a beanie, that's a cap, beanie, head warmer, things like that take lesser time. So not all crochet project takes a lot of time. All right, the fifth on my list is you need a lot of money to start crochet. No, you don't need a lot of money to start crochet. Please do well to watch my first video so you can get the list of the things you need to start as a beginner for crochet. You don't need a lot to start crochet. You don't need a lot of money to start crochet. Just a little amount of money. So the last on my list, which is the number six, is you need to know how to read patterns to crochet. In crochet we have these patterns we read. I don't know if you've seen the designs or something, but if I do find it, I will put it up here. There is this design or pattern. There's a way they draw it. He said so. Here it's telling me that you need to know how to do that before you can crochet. It's a lie. I for one started my crochet. I didn't even know how to read the patterns. Yeah, I just watched what others were doing. I put it in my head and I started doing it. Yes, so you don't necessarily need to know how to read that their bogus patterns. Bogus patterns. You don't need to know how to read it before you can be able to crochet. So crochet is just to follow the rules. There are rules to crochet. If this particular size, you have to do 12 chains. Make sure you do 12 chains so that it doesn't turn out smaller, or don't do excess so it doesn't turn out too big and the rest. With tutorial videos, you can do your crochet peacefully and happily. Yes. So this video is just simply telling us that you can do it. So guys, the purpose of this video today is to tell you that you can crochet. Don't listen to what people are saying. A lot of what they're saying are just myths. A lot of it are not true. Yes, so challenge yourself today, pick up that yarn, pick up that crochet hook and start crocheting. There are a lot of tutorial videos. There are a lot of tutorial videos online for you to crochet, for you to learn how to crochet. Me, I will still be posting tutorial videos. Yeah, I'll be posting tutorial videos also. So you can also learn from me. So don't let people deceive you or people just tell you that crochet. No, it's a very beautiful craft. When you start creating things, you start wearing them or you start selling them, you will know what I'm talking about. You will know that crochet is beautiful. You start getting compliments from people when you wear what you crochet, what you made with your hands, what you made with your hands. When you start getting compliments, this your top is beautiful. Your sweater is so beautiful. Can you make this for me? You charge them and you make it for them. You'll be happy. You will love yourself. So don't let anyone discourage you. If you have made up your mind that crochet is what I want to do for myself or for a business, please, please, please dive into it. Start it. Okay, start it. We are here to guide you. A lot of tutorial videos, a lot of things about crochet are online. You will learn a lot. Even this my channel like this, I will be posting a lot of things. So please do stay tuned, guys. Do stay tuned. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching to the end. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And if you have a friend who wants to start crochet, that is having double mind because of what people are saying, please share this video to the person and encourage the person to start crochet. So I encourage you today to start crochet. Okay, so till we meet again in my next video. Bye guys, love you.